Patrick Dugan is here this morning. He's going to talk about Down with Detroit, the official, unofficial hype factory and merch shop for the city of Detroit. Patrick, good to see you.
Good to see you.
How'd you get into this t-shirt business with all these great Detroit themes in it?
Well, in college, I was a photography major and a graphic design major, living in Chicago. So me and my buddy always wanted to kind of represent Detroit in a more if you know, you know kind of way, rather than just like the standard Detroit wear. So that was the genesis of Down with Detroit back in 2006.
And I understand, I was reading, you sold the company at one point, you bought it back, is that?
This is true. We were able to sell it in 2018 to a great local Detroit shop here in Corktown.
Yeah.
I went and worked with them for a number of years till the pandemic, and then I had the opportunity to reacquire it last year. They were kind enough to sell it back to me.
Good stuff. So are you a Detroiter then?
I are. The Farmington part of Detroit.
That's the Farmington part of it. That's close enough. You have football? We have talked a lot of Lions today. Are you, I see Grit City. Are those big sellers for you?
Yeah, these are big sellers. I'll say the homage to Verner's is probably our leading driver, and the MCDC is really popular with, Coach Campbell being in town.
Yeah. How do you get your stuff? It's all online?
It's all online. We do pop-ups. Last holiday, we were at the mall for a little bit, looking to be around town this holiday as well, but we are all online, and we produce pretty quick. So if you were to order, you'll get it really fast.
So I could do a special order then, and let's say I wanted, we just saw The Ghoul. I don't know if everybody remembers The Ghoul. Was on Detroit television for many, many years.
Yeah.
A Ghoul, he's kind of a funny guy.
Yeah.
How long would it take me to get a Ghoul hoodie?
So if you were to make that order right now, it would probably print today and it'd be in your hands in 3 or 4 days.
How do you, that's a quick turnaround.
That is because of our great partner in Corktown, the Custom CAD My Locker folks over there. They're got an unbelievable facility, so they turn it out quick.
What'd you bring here? What's good? What's exciting?
What's exciting? I'll start here. Last time I was here, we talked about our Chet Lemon. That's an all-time favorite, and we're donating to the family foundation to help Chet.
Let me get Chet Lemon up.
And then you have your classic, like if you know, you know, Detroit Designs. I call it Pop.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
MCDC is kind of cool. It's got it's like a concert style T-shirt, so it's a Lions schedule, but it looks like an MCDC concert shirt.
AC/DC people don't get in trouble with that.
What's that? I didn't hear that.
No, go ahead. Next. What's this one here?
That's a little homage to a poet named Christopher Wallace. He had a lyric that was famous. If you know, you know. My Detroit Players. So that's a Biggie lyric for you.
Okay. Okay. Patrick is testing my knowledge. I love that Verner's one. That is so good. I collect Detroit memorabilia all over. I love it. I love it. I love it. What else do we want to say? Lions. You've got the Lions.
Yeah, Lions. Obviously, since Coach Campbell showed up and the franchises sort of turned around, that was the big itch to get the business back. To be honest, we do those similar stuff. If you know, you know. This is a homage to like Nintendo '80s Tecmo Bowl. And then you've got to do hats as well. Yeah, we're starting hats this holiday.
You have a lot of competition in your world, though, right?
I don't view it as competition. Anyone that's pushing Detroit, I'm a fan of.
All right, listen, online, Down with Detroit, right?
DownWithDetroit.com.
And it's Patrick Dugan.
Dugan, that's right.
We're going to put this information on our website, fox2detroit.com, and we'll take a quick break and be back in a moment.